Yeah. The previous classes we discussed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to D we have finished because with respect to what are the models we covered, I think there are 3, 4 models we covered till 6th D. The last class also we discussed what are the left of the problems. Today we are going to enter into the 6th E. The last class as I was already mentioned that the 6th E chapter it's completely depend upon the partial fractions.
Partial fractions.
It's basically depend on the partial fractions. If you're comfortable in the partial fractions, the method which is very simple. If you're uncomfortable with partial fraction, it will take long time. That is what I told you. Please clear the partial fractions lessons, then you come back here. It will be easy for that. I told you it's maths 2J. We have a partial fraction chapter in the video. In the YouTube playlist you can watch. Okay. Then into that, once again, I'm trying to repeat the partial fractions. There are 3 models only: method 1, method 2, method 3. So if it is fraction, is it look like in the numerator by denominator? The method 1 is denominator is more than the numerator. The method 2 is denominator equal to numerator. The method 3 is denominator is less than the numerator. So denominator is more. So method 1, method 2 are is enough up to my thing. This method 2, method 1 is enough to do our 60 all problems. Okay. And method 1, method 2, there are slight difference only. The method 2 we have some constant value plus a by, let us a by something, let us say x square by x plus 1 into x plus 2, because when the degrees are same, we can write the quotient of this by quotient of this. Then you can continue as like a previous problem. Method 1. This is a slight difference I told you, method 2. The method 3 is different because numerator we need to divide with the denominator. Then there was a procedure is there. If you want more clear, you can watch it. So this is enough. So when you're writing the splitting the terms, according to they have certain problems are there. Those are different models. So we should enter when you're doing it. Is okay. Right. So now let us. I don't want to waste our time. I will take that question for you. So go to Telugu Academy textbook. 6th E. There was the first problem. Evaluate the following integrals. Just to take a question. Integral x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. So just you don't take anything. First you take question. It is just you take a question. This one. Nothing you take. Just you take a question separately. What the question it is? X minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. This is the question. This is look like a partial fraction model. You need to split this into the partial fractions. How can you split?
A by
First
x
of all,
minus 2.
when you take the partial fraction, first you have to decide the method. What is the method of this one? First method, second method.
First method.
The order of the numerator is 1. The order of the denominator is x into x. X square will come. So that's what numerator is more, denominator it's a method 1. Okay. Now let us you tell me your method. So method 1, a by x minus 2 and b by x minus 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So you need to find out the value of
LCM.
A and value of B. We have to take into consideration. We have to do LHS x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. We can do LCM. A into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 2. This is x minus 3. Sorry. X minus 2 into x minus 3. This is a cancelling out. Then when you substitute, this is a question now. X minus 1 is equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2. This is a standard equation from the previous case. So I told you many times, if it is very simple problems in here, you need to substitute a value. Let us x is equal to 3, you substitute in numerator and denominator. Sorry, left LHS, RHS. What's the value going to? This is going to 0, you'll get a b value. X is equal to 3 means this 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 2, it is 1. So 3 minus 2. What is the answer is? B is equal to 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here?
No
Right. Next, x is equal to 2 you take. X is equal to 2 you take means this is going to be 0. So 2 minus 1, the 2 minus 1, it is 1. So 2 minus 1 minus 1. So a is equal to minus 1. Clear or any doubt first of all?
No.
Clear? Right. Then you rewrite the question, it is a is equal to minus 1, right? Minus 1 by x minus 2. B is equal to 2. Clear now? Just
Yes,
so
sir.
this is a place you have to write as it is. Okay, now continue the question in the next page. I'll try to open the next page. You have to remember the values of a and b. Just let us, I'll try to take a question in the next page. So integration x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 into dx. This is minus 1 by integration. You have to write minus 1 by x minus 2 plus 2 by
2
x
by
minus 3 x minus into dx. Okay. Then after
yes.
that, we are a very toppers. We can take integral separately. So 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 2 into dx plus integral 2 by x minus 3 into dx. Clear? Now these
Yes, sir.
questions are, it's very simpler questions. Now copy this. I'll take constant out. So minus 1 I'll take out. So 1 by x minus 2 into dx. Then plus 2 by 1 by x minus 3 into dx. Till this clear, right? Now these questions are look like in the previous, I think exercise 1 and exercise 2. We have think many questions are we did off. Rest we can take it as simple t. You can take this also. We can take as a t for this session. For this session, you can take t. T is equal to what? X minus 2 is equal to t. So dx is equal to dt. Clear? So minus 1
Yes,
into
sir.
dt by t. Here it like x minus 3 is equal to t. So dx is equal to dt. What is this? 2 into integration dt by t. What you got? Dt by t log t. Okay. So minus log t. So plus c. Here also 2 log t plus c. So what is the final answer? Minus log t. The t means what you can do? X minus 2 has to do. Here plus 2 log t. 2 log of x minus 3 plus c. I think it is very clear now.
Yes,
So this
sir.
is the way you are the people trying to approach in the next levels. This is a very simpler problem. Don't want to do any entire thing. So many textbook, the people mention many methods. You don't take such a method. Please follow us. I'll get it out. Some people they will take here common, do some extra nuisance they will create. Some people. So nothing you can take. You can follow partial fractions. If the question is look like in the partial fraction, because one more thing I wanted to tell you. Because sir, this is a question 60. You know, sir, it is in the partial fraction. How can you know in examination? Am I clear, right? Because being a student, we need to understand the question. By seeing the question, we need to understand this question is look like in the which model. This question is simplified which by which model. Out of we have many many models, many methods, many formulas. Which formula is comfortable to for a given question? But that is what the IQ level we need to work out in the examination. That is more important compared to other things. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is what we have to many practice methods, practice questions, many things we did of. We get and comment on the question. Okay, this question is simple though if you take that formula. Because when I was seeing this question, I got an idea. Okay, 1 by t log t, it's very simple. You can take t. This we need to get an idea. This is a exercise number 2. I took the t models. Other than X, something else it is there. You can take it as some other t. You can go do it. You convert the question X terms to t terms. You can move forward. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That is what the interesting thing. When you are combined on the question, we can take the method and also you can move forward. Let's let us. We can try to take in the second question now. The second question. I don't want to do entire question. Some question models I should work out at x square by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into dx. Now take a question. It will look like in the partial fractions. If you split the fractions, it will be becomes easy from my side. Okay. So what is the methodology I should apply for this question? What is the method for this question? X plus 2 whole square, right? Sorry for interruption. X plus 2 question. X plus
Then
2 whole.
x cube will out.
So x cube will be denominator, x square is numerator. So it look like in the method 1 only. Okay. So how can I split? Because x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. The x square into x cube. Numerator is less than the denominator.
Yes.
Automatically, if it is not square is there, it go for method 2. If square is there, it come method 3. So how to split this? Please tell me that. A by
A by
x
x
plus
plus
1,
1
B
plus
by
b by
x plus 2,
x plus 2
plus C
whole
by
square
x
plus
plus
c
2
by
whole
x
square.
plus 2
Clear?
whole square. Yes.
So please, this continuation, which I already told you many times, please do work on that. I'll write the values of x square and all. X plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square dx. Please try to follow the values because I do not work on that. I'll write directly values of a is equal to 1,
Yes. Sir.
then b is equal to 0, c is equal to -4. Just you take a values. You start working on it. If you're not, I'll be help you. A by x plus 1 integration plus 0 by x plus 2 plus -4 by x plus 2 whole square. Okay, this is here whole square into whole dx. So this the work you have to done by your own. Thing is what x is equal to -1, you take one case, x is equal to -2, you take one case, you will get AB values. If you want to find out for a C value, please compare the quotients of left right, the highest for x square, and you can take x and constant, you'll get it out. Very simple. Okay. Don't think much.
Yes.
It is very complex. It is if you don't think about the partial fraction, it's a none of the question, this one. So directly apply the method 1 by x plus 1 into dx. I am separate the integral. So 0 by into dx minus 4 integration plus -4 by x plus 3 whole square into dx. Okay, it will be very simpler here because this is 0 into something else. This is not a requirement. Now we'll take for only this one. Integration 1 by x plus 1 into dx. Okay, x -4 into 1 by x plus 3 whole square. Clear, Anana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now next, how to apply the method? It's very simpler method according to that. This is, you can take it as t. For this case, x plus 1 is equal to t. Here x plus 3 is equal to t you take. Okay. So x plus 1 is equal to e means dx is equal to dt here. So
Sir,
here
x
also
plus 2 whole square, sir.
x plus 2 or x plus 3? X plus 2 only, right?
2, sir.
Oh, yeah, it's x
Yes.
plus 2. Okay, don't roll. X plus 2 is equal to t. So d x is equal to dt. It's enough. Okay. Next, what is
Yes.
coming here? 1 by dt by t here. Okay. For whatever here, -4 into whatever the integration here, dt by what you come down? dt by
D
dt by this one, what? T square.
T
T
square.
square. That is very important. Now let us try to work on that. Integration dt by t -4 into integration dt by t square. It's very important now. So after this integration dt by t, what are you going to get? Log t. Okay. -4 into what is the answer of this one? Dt by t square. So still you are not perfect.
T
Not yeah.
must
Your t power -2 you take dt. You can work on that as like a x power n model. -4 into t power -2 plus 1 by -2 plus 1 log t -4 into t power -1 by -1. So -1 by t inverse. Okay, -1 by t. -1 by t will come. Okay. So log t, this is +4 by t will come. Clear? So substitute t values. Log of t and x plus 1 for first case because this is a t for this plus 4 by x plus 2 plus this is the answer. Okay, because this t is for
Yes,
this
sir.
this understanding. Yeah, or else if you are able to confuse means you can take t1 and t2. That is what also you are not supposed to get any confusion. Okay, it's very simple. Clear?
Yes.
But this is already right? To integration 1 by x square dx is -1 by x plus c. If your derivation of -1 by x is equal to 1 by x square, that is also very simple. We did of models. Okay, then go to third question. Integration x plus 3 by x minus 1 into x square minus 1 plus 1, right? Dx. So similar, this is look like model number. How much?
X cube, no, sir.
This is x power on x cube. This is model 1 only. Okay,
Yeah.
right. The splitting the terms, it's little important. This is ax minus 1 only, but this is look like ax square plus bx plus c model. So you need to understand x square plus the 1 means 0x is there. Here x plus 1, the thing is there. So this you can split as like a by x minus 1 plus ax square means second order means you'll get one more. So bx plus c by x square plus 1. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So please take a constant cross multiplication, and after that we can substitute x is equal to 1. You'll get one value. To find out rest of b and c values, you need to do the alternate work. What are the work you need to do? Compare coefficients in both sides highest powers. Then you find out rest of values of b and c. Then it will become easy for you. Okay. So after you are working on that, it might be you are going to get an answers. I'm trying to write directly. So a is equal to 2 you got. Then b is equal to right bx plus c, right? So b is equal to minus 2. Then the value of c is going to be minus 1. Please try to take the values directly. Okay, because you should work, try to take it right now. You should work according to the partial fractions methodology. You can follow, you'll get on. Still you're not clear, please watch it. It's very simple. So trying to write the question, x plus 3 by x minus 1 into x square plus 1 into dx. So this is a 2 by x minus 1, the integration of common, plus minus 2x minus 1 by x square plus 1 into dx. Okay. After this, I should be separate that integrals on the right side. After the separation, the things what I should write, integration 2 by x minus 1 dx plus what is there right now, integration minus 2x minus 1 by x square plus
X
1 into
square
dx.
plus 1.
So this also I try to separate the numerator with respect to denominator. What I should write it is this this is plus minus 2 take out x by x square plus 1 into dx minus 1 by x square plus 1. Okay, I'll try to rewrite and write it down very simple. 2 by I'll take 2 come out 2
2
I should
common.
be, yeah, 2 I should take common out. I'll try to take it as 2 by 1 by x minus 1 into dx minus 2 I took common x by x square plus 1 into dx 1 by x square plus 1 square into dx. Because I convent, I wrote nothing wrong in that. Now let us start assumption of that. This letters you can take it is t, you can take dt will come. Okay, the t1 you can take x minus 1 is equal to t1, dx is equal to dt1. So integration dt1 by t1. Okay, this is the case is done. Here also you can take it is t because x is there, its possibility is there. X square plus 1 is equal to t2 you can take dt means 2x is equal to dt2. Okay, because x is there, dt by
Yes, sir.
2 is there, you'll get it out. Okay, this you can write here, I can write directly common 2x dx. So dt2, so minus dt2 by t2. Clear. Next is x square plus a square is direct formula is available, right? So 1 by a tan inverse x by a. I don't want to waste the time. Okay, now I should try to write the answer now from this. Okay, now let us start writing out the answers. This is what integration 2t by dt, right? So 2 into 2t by 2t log t, right? So log t1 minus log t2 minus 1 by a tan inverse x by a, x by 1. Okay, the final answer is 2 log of t1 means what, x minus 1 minus log of t2 means x square plus 1, t3 means 1 by a tan inverse x by a, right? So tan inverse x by 1 plus c. Clear or not? Any doubt it is?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So this is the way we need to comment the question on that, because the methodology there is plenty of the work is there, because this is will take lot of time. Am I clear? It.
Yes,
And after
sir.
that you need to this is already UKG levels. This is already UKG level, because already we have a command that will take very short time. As like if you are practice the partial fractions, this is also LKG work. So that automatically the things will move on that. The burden will for us, but we should take it. We should work on that. Okay. So with this, our thing is clear. Now switch on to the fourth question. Integration the dx by x square plus a square and x square plus b square. Okay. And its question is look like the simple. What is the model of we need to apply? Method 1, method 2. So x square and x square x power 4. So it is nothing is there. It's like model 1 only. So a by x square plus a square plus b by x square plus b square. Okay. It's very simple. When you're doing it as problem, I'll give the hint. X square is equal to minus a square. Okay. Next second case, x square equal to minus b square. You take it out. Assumptions on both sides. Okay. Am I clear? Right? X square
Yes.
equal to a square. You can take. You'll get one value. X square equal b square. You'll get one more value. You'll get it out. Value of a and value of b. You don't want to think of any other thing. You'll get direct answers. Okay. What are the value? If you are feeling it is tough, I'll write it out. I'll write denominator directly. 1 is equal to a times of x square plus b square. Then b times of x square plus a square. Okay, Nana? Substitute x is equal to minus a square. What are you going? This is cancel, right? This you'll get.
Yes.
A is equal to what you're going to get? 1 by x square plus b square. Clear?
Yes.
Then what is that b value? There is here x is equal to minus a square. This you got. Next case x square equal to minus b square means what you get? This is cancelling out, right? So what is the value of b? 1 by x square plus a square. Still clear or not?
Yes.
Sorry for interruption. There was slight change. Here x square equal to minus a square, right? Here you get minus a square because you need to substitute right here also. Minus this is cancel. So x square equal to minus b, there right minus b square. Okay. So value of a is equal to 1 by b square minus a square. The value of b is equal to 1 by a square minus b square. Okay. Clear, Anna?
Yes.
Because you are substituting a value. Now the extension this I'll try to write the value. What is the value of a? 1 by b square minus a square into this one 1 by x square plus a square. Then b I value substitute this value. I'll try to move it as okay. I'll write in the next page to understand very clearly. Okay.
Okay.
Right. To try to understand what is the value of a? B square minus a square. What is the value of this one? A square minus b square. So let us try to. I'll introduce the question once again. 1 by dx by x square plus a square. Then x square plus b square. This I can write integration. What's the value of a? 1 by
B
square minus a square into 1 by x square plus a square into dx. I'll write. Okay, better place. Integration 1 by a square minus b square into 1 by x square plus b square into dx. Still no doubt at all. Okay.
Yes.
You don't want to take it. It's very simple. Okay, now continue that. 1 by b square minus a square coming. I'll write integration 1 by x square plus a square. What 1 by a tan inverse x by a, right? I'll write direct answer. 1 by a tan inverse x by
Tan
a.
inverse x by a.
Place 1 by a square minus b square. 1 by b tan inverse x by b plus c. Okay, Nana?
Yes.
If it is take this one, I can rewrite. I'll take it minus common. If I write 1 b square by a square, I can write it out. Minus if you write here. Okay. Okay, minus I'll take common. I can write minus 1 by under root of b square minus a square. Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Because here I have. That is what I'll take. Now I should take a common directly. B square minus a square on both sides. No right answer. 1 by a tan inverse x by a minus 1 by b tan inverse x by b plus c. Just what I should take for a common, I will take it out. Otherwise, this is the final answer. You can write it out. You get a textbook answer. This is what the textbook answer. They taken it to that common value. Both sides. Take it as minus is a common. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let us move forward. Take the fifth question now. What is fifth question? Integration dx by e power x plus e power 2x.
E power 2x.
Yeah. This question I rewrite dx by e power x. I'll take a common. So what you got? 1 plus e power x. Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, if you are a well and good student, you can taking it is like a partial fraction. If you take e power x is equal to some value of some z you take. Okay. What you're writing it out? If you take it common, 1 by z into 1 plus z. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just for a constant I'll take. For this, you can take partial fractions a by z, then b by 1 plus z. Clear, Akana?
Yes, sir.
If you are solving value of a and b, you are going to get a is equal, a is equal to 1, then b is equal to minus 1, you'll get it out. Okay. If you take it 1 plus z into it. Okay. That is what this I can write. How can I split this partial fraction? 1 by z means 1 by e power x. Okay. Minus 1
Yes.
by 1 plus e power x. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir. Clear.
Because I don't want to do directly, because if even if you take a by e power x, b by 1 plus e power x, then you get a doubt. So how what I substitute it is e power x, then all these things. That is
Yes.
what I should take it out. Z value, it's comfortable to you. I was assumption I was reback it is. Now question is simpler. Now question you can do 1 by e power x into dx. Integration 1 by 1 plus e power x dx. It was very simple.
Yes, sir.
Are you comfortable? Yes.
Yes.
Still anything else for here? It will be very easy questions till it is no problem at all. I think something we are missing. It is are we missing any other things? 1 by e power x, right? Okay. E power x is there, right? Okay. E power x is there. E power x you can take it out. E power x minus 1 by e power x. What is it? It is not required to write. Okay. E power x, you can take e power x. Okay. It is required for us. Okay, right. This I'll question in the right. This question I'll copy in the next page. Okay. I'll continue that. So integration 1 by e power x dx minus 1 by 1 plus e power x into
e
dx.
power x.
Okay, this I'll continue. This question doing is very simple, because 1 by e power minus x dx you can do it out. But this question, if you take it as t, dt is not appear. If you take 1 plus e power x is t, dx means e power x dx will come. It is not available in e power x numerator. Am I clear?
Yes.
So for that reason, I should multiply with e power x denominator and numerator. Please be understand this integration very important in this question. How I was approaching, please let me try to understand how I was working on that. Okay, this is clear.
Yes.
Yeah. After this, how I should approach, you should be looking after this. Next question is e power minus x means what? Minus e power minus x plus c. E power x is equal to e power x, minus x is minus 1. Minus, here I should take e power x is common. The question is look like e power x into 1 plus e power x dx. Okay, now
Okay.
this pottage will continue. This e power x is this 1 by e power x into 1 plus e power x. How I was split previously? 1 by e power x minus 1 by 1 plus e power x. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
So this I don't want to enter the answer. Once again, I directly copy this. Clear?
Yes.
This is very interesting. from here to here. Once again, why I should take, you understand. Now I'll continue e power
Yes.
minus x minus, I'll be reback e power x into inside. So e power x by e power x dx minus here, minus into minus plus. What is this? E power x by 1 plus e power x. Clear? Now
Yes, sir.
I was multiply divide, then I create one more problem. It nothing is there. It will be simple, but I create e power x in numerator. That is the main pretty issue here.
Yes, sir.
This was very interesting step. Why I should take e power x multiply divide? Because this is interesting to simplify the problem.
Yes, sir.
Now let us minus e power x. This is constant. So integration 1 dx is x plus. Now let us, you can take it as t. 1 plus e power x is t. But now e power x dx is equal to dt. Now question is look like dt by t now, because e power x dx is available. That's what I took right now. T.
Yes, sir.
A minus e power x minus x, it's log t. So minus e power
Yes.
minus x plus log t means what? 1 plus e power x plus c. Clear? Still
Yes,
in
sir.
it out.
Clear.
Yeah. This is what, if you're directly you take here it is t, you're not supposed to detail, then you start confusion. Initial only you'll get confused. You need to understand, we need to create e power x by doing such an analysis. This is what interesting. Not only here, in the partial fraction mode, any mode. This is important to creating of one more function. Right? Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let us move to next question. That is clear. Now sixth question. Integration dx by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay. Sixth question. I don't want to do. Please continue that. A by x plus 1. B by x
Yes,
plus
sir.
2. Then you find AB values. You'll get less log model. Nothing is there in the
Yes,
issue.
sir.
I don't want to waste our time now. Let us take his homework. Now
Yes, sir.
seventh question. 1 by e power x minus 1 into dx. Okay. This question is
Yes,
looking
sir.
like little important now. This is also you're not getting idea in examination without practice. Same thing. If you take it is e power x minus 1 is a t, then you start a problem. You're not get is dt. For this, I'll do one more logical way. A previous logic also should work. I will take one more logic for this. So I'll try to add e power x and subtract e power x. Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Then I'll take it like this. No. Common, I should take it out. Okay. Clear or any doubt? So it is will get minus
Clear.
sides. It will get minus now. Minus into minus plus. Okay. I'm click plus 1 you write e power x minus e power minus plus 1 dx.
Yes,
So
sir.
this extension, what you going to get? E power xy e power x minus 1 minus e power x minus 1 by e power x minus 1 to dx.
DX.
Now little interesting, this is cancel. Now this question is e power xy e power x minus 1 into dx. This is integration of dx. Previous model you can take multiply, the same answer will get. This is one more logical way.
Yes, sir.
Now this is a dx, x will come. Now this you take it is t. This is a dt. Now dt by t log t.
Okay, sir.
So log of ex power x minus 1 minus x plus c. It's very interesting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any something you're
Yes,
missing?
sir.
Nothing you're missing. This you can writing it out.
Yes.
Some people textbook they mention x, they'll write logarithm of e power x, because log you cancel, x will come. This is instead of x, they are writing log of e power x. Log of your log exponential will come, x we can write directly.
Yes.
Okay. That is the case. You can expect the extension of answer log a minus log b, log a by b, log a by log b. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is also correct answer. Not only for this is you can write answer. If you want to extend this answer, this you can write in it. Because the
Okay.
question should be completely converted into logarithms. we're extending our time, so make it fast. Increasing by 8th one 1 by 1 minus x into 4 plus x square into dx. So this is a question. It's very simple. 1 by 1 minus x, then 4 plus x square. Model number 3, it is ax square. So this is bx plus c by 4 minus 4 plus x square. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So try to find ABC values. Please be looking to the matter. You'll get answer. I don't want to do it entire thing. Okay, take it as homework. So next I'll switch on to the 9th question. The 9th question is 2x plus 3 by x cube plus x square minus 2x into dx. Okay. This question, the denominator is not comfortable to do move forward directly. I'll try to take one by one way 2x plus 3
So
because
take
yeah, x is common, x square plus x minus 2 to dx. If still you are well and good, you can take it as factorization of this one, x square plus x minus 2. It will come minus 2, right? It is possibility is there plus 2x minus x. If you take it like that, you'll get x minus 2 into x minus 1. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now question look like it's very simple. Like this, y x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into dx. Comfortable, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this you can write a by x, b by x minus 1, then c by x minus 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So then it is very simple now. Now you can find the values of ABC within seconds. You move forward.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
It's very simple because I don't want to do entire thing. Here you'll get log x, log x, log x. No doubt. Nothing you do. Very simple. This opening is very important. The question.
Yes, sir.
Because every question there was a trick. One will be there. The trick we should open. So with this, we are comfortably completed the exercise number 1. It's very simple. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Can I take it exercise 2 right now? The second bit is, if you're comfortable, I'll move it second bit also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Within seconds, I'll close. Second bit, first problem, integration dx by 6x square minus 5x plus 1 into dx. Okay. It's very simple. This you take it as second order equation. You're trying to open. I should get an answer 3x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. This LKG work I don't want to do. I write directly answer. Okay. This
Yes.
you can split into a by 3x minus 1, b by 2x minus 1. You can take it as partial fraction. You can find ABC value. You can continue that. You'll get log 1 by dt 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 you'll get answer. Nothing. Simply get it out. 1 by 3 log will
Yes,
come
sir.
because 3x means 3dx will come. 2x means 2dx will come. 1 by 2 log, 1 by 3 log will get. Okay. Good.
Okay.
First question is like that. Then you go for second question. It will look like it's very simple. 1 by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. Just now I did off. Same model.
Yes, sir.
A by B.
X
Yeah.
plus
This
B by
entire.
X plus
These are
1.
all logs will come.
Log
No need
X,
to.
log
Yeah.
X.
Yeah. Yeah. No need to do entire the work. Second question is finished. Now go to the third question. It is 3x minus 2 by x minus
sir.
1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. Integration dx. This is it's little important as like same model a by x minus 1 b by x plus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Am I clear? It is also very
Yes,
simple.
sir.
All logarithms will come. Here the thing is what you are finding the values of ABC will plays major role. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's very good, interesting. The little bit fourth question, second bit. So 7x minus 4 by x minus 1 whole square and x plus 2 into dx. It look like the model number same only. So I'll take this is first of all. It's a by x plus 2,
A by X plus 2
b by
plus
x minus
BX
1,
B
c by
plus
x
C
minus
by
1.
X minus 1 whole square.
You can take a and b and c, nothing matter, because ABC values will come in between. It will live in between only because it will not come to the entire answer. Optionality ABC understanding for individual problem, individual way. because finding ABCs, it's very important. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the way we can getting the answer. I think the second bit, the fourth question is very simple only. Third also
Yes,
very
sir.
simple. The second also very simple. The when you're moving it is this first one. Little interesting part. This first one. What is it? This is the case. So here, when you're taking it is after finding ABC, this is already how to make it out. The what can you say? This is splitting the terms. 6x square minus 5x plus 1 is there, right? This one. This you are making to splitting into the 3x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. Very interesting because 6 1 is 6. You can take it 6 table. 6x square and 3x minus 2x plus 1. I 3x you can take common. 2x minus 1. For 2x you can if you take it as 1 is a common, right? Minus 1 is common, 2x minus 1 common. That is what you'll get, 3x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 common will come. Am I clear? This is the way you can splitting it the term. After writing this, you need to find the values of a and b by using your own logics. Am I clear? The value of a is minus 3 because time is limited. Value of b is minus plus 2, and you can take out. This is t for t1, this is t, t2, log t will come. That is the way you can do it out. In the next class, we'll discussion of the third bit, but you need to prepare the pass of action model number 2 and model number 3. It's possible. Model number 2 is very, very important for next bit. Model number 3 is optional. If you take it, prepare and come, it's very for that. Okay. Tomorrow, same time by 7:30. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Chalo, still you can practice the problems till this end of the thing. It's better for your practice.